In Guangxi, located in southern China, a rural well drilling project is underway. The strata at the construction site are mainly red clay, which is hard when dry, but softens rapidly when exposed to water, easily causing borehole narrowing and collapse. The strata also frequently contain isolated boulders and rock formations, making the construction conditions complex. The Yuchai 65 rotary drilling rig, with its compact size and sufficient drilling depth, is undertaking this operation. It can drill to a maximum depth of 27 meters. Operators use a sand-dredging drill bit to first form the hole, then lower a casing to stabilize the borehole wall and prevent collapse. Drilling continues downwards until the groundwater layer is detected.